Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India bra, Joa Kali, nationwide mock drill thagibole announce kuratu amikhan sop manu hunigena ase. Ajlaga din de Dimapur debi DC office de DC bra luigena alag administration bodies kan sop milaigena ekta emergency meeting luise mock drill laga opore. Meeting khotom hoigena DC Dimapur tino chungsi changbra press and media lode interact kurise. Aro interact kura homoi taibra kuise ki as per government's directives Dimapur debi 4 bajibra luigena mock drill thagibo regarding operation Aphias. Kutagura homoi taibra mention kuise ki Dimapur district to prepared ase aro idu mock drills kan lobole jaga khan bi identify kurina thagala bi janai dise. Tai kuise ki staging area do DC office de hi thagibo aro temporary hospital do urban primary health center tankan de identify kurna ase kuise. Aro tai kuise ki air raid affected area nimide takhan tosta volunteers identify kurigina ase from civil defense and home guard. Kote volunteers khan bra injured nole affected manange assist kuribole tai kurigina ase. DC Dimapur bra itubi kuise ki takhan air raid siren bi perform grupo from 4 p.m. Kote fire and emergency service bra Dimapur district cover grubole kuise. Aro idu mock drill kan sob perform kura bichede officers kan nohilibi head of department kan DC office te jama kurigena takan laga responsibility nohilibi field de ki huise iton brief kuribole kuigena ase. DC Dimapur bra idu bi kuise ki idu mock drill perform kura homoi public kan panic na kuribole tai janai digina ase. Aibi DC Dimapur tino chungsi changbra mock drill laga oborde ki ko amekan detail pra hunilobo.
We had a meeting just now, completed our meeting. We got the information only Kali afternoon di paise. So we could not call the meeting. We aji aman DDM kan meeting mati na. Itu aji laga key program chakole ase. Itu aman discuss kuise. As per the common directive at 4 p.m. Itu 4 baji di amahan itu mock drill regarding like operation Aphias koina itu laga the ministry bra aman ki directive tikena around in Nagaland 10 district aman itu logle ase to Dimapur bi aman itu prepared kurigena ase. We had a meeting just now, so like amahan identified location pura do amahan like staging area do DC office hobo yati so aman ki kurubole ase staging area DC office te kurubo aro temporary hospital we have identified urban primary health center Tangan etu temporary hospital identify kurina ase aro demilitarized zone be like since DC office to he as a demilitarized zone where every security everything is arranged yati thakibo aro air raid affected area etu aman project director TRD office to identify kurina ase tati etu incident main incident area air raid kurigena etu affected area do itu opo where we have identified 10 volunteers etu from civil defense and home guard pra volunteers kan dibo aro tati daigan injured hoa nole do daigan itu kan laga tati itu air raid affected area do PT TRD office do. So timing it was a 4 baji the aman air raid siren grupo where like fire and emergency service Canberra they will cover the whole area where siren dibo so that public are not panic itu aman mock drill jaise aro TPRO office pra taigambi itu siren do dibo they will cover it so itu pichidi. After that well, all the officers or head of the department will gather here, will brief what has happened, key incident which brief kuina. So manu nijo laga responsible ki ase aman incident response system kuina aman IR system ekta NSTMA kan banaina ase. Tadi all the officers have been assigned different responsibilities. So itu tiga nase itu in subti the officer will be assigned and they will carry out the exercise itu ase. Itu I would like to request all of you to kindly cover the mock drill also, not only now, will be mock drill 4 baje di start hobe je. Apni ambi aigena it will be cover kori dile bishi khushi pabo na request.